your host with the most, Plasma Sun. How you guys doing today? It is Thursday, and I'm about to go to work here in like an hour, get that stuff knocked out, come back, and hopefully post this video. If not, I'll do it tomorrow. But today we're going over quick tips for noobs in Warzone. If this video helped you out at any way, make sure to leave a like seriously, smash that like button, and subscribe, because this channel is growing. I want you to be a part of it. Thank you. So these tips helped me out a lot in Warzone because I didn't know them when I started, and so I'm hoping that they helped you out as well for when you start. Okay, tip number 1. When you load your plates, just keep hitting the 4 button to continuously load the plates. Instead of taking the extra time to wait for the animation to finish. So save out in time. It's going to help out when you're in a tough fight or battle.
Okay.
Because I feel like those tips that people don't know, or newbies don't know yet, are like very helpful. Tip number 2. Tip number 2 is when you're in the airplane about to jump out and there's an area we're going too far away, is remember this. Jump out the plane, pull your chute, and then cut it. Pull your chute and cut it. Get some distance, pull your chute, and then cut it. It's going to help you a lot with getting that distance where you need to go. Team right here.
Landing with us.
Yeah, there's about 3 other teams. Tip number 3. A lot of times I have this as my backup weapon, is an RPG. RPGs are great, especially in the Warzone solos. This is great when someone else has more RPG than you, and you're out of plates. Or just if you need a quick kill because you're in a tough situation. Pull out an RPG, shoot them, kill them, and move on. Simple as that. It's just all the time, and it makes people really mad. That's the best part. Oh God, let's go!
You fucking son of a bitch. You son of.
Tip number 4. Now I make this mistake all the time because I never use my tactical and I never use my lethal. We gotta use that, especially if you have it. It's gonna help you out, it's gonna give you an advantage. Here, I throw a smoke down and cover me while I put the guy inside. He had no clue I was there, and it helped out a lot. So make sure you use your tactical and make sure you use your lethal, because it's gonna help out a lot in these tough situations.
Toss a flash up there. See if I can get them. Yeah, you jumped out the back, I think so. Grenade out. Oh, I fucked it up so bad.
Alright, last and final tip. Tip number 5. You can actually ride on top of the vehicles. You don't have to actually be inside of it. Yes, you're more exposed, but it gives you the opportunity to jump out in a quick notice, or even, you know, shoot an RPG or have full 360 range. It's great. And I didn't find this out until like a couple days ago. So let's say you have a quad where you can only sit 2 people. You can actually sit 3 people on it if one stands on top. So yeah, check it out. But anyways, guys, that was my 5 tips for noobs with Warzone. These are really basic, I know, but they're for noobs. But if these helped you out, or if you didn't know this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later.